1. Revving up the shine. 2. Cleaning just got a whole lot cooler. 3. Soap, water, and a whole lot of sparkle. 4. From dirty to dazzling in no time. 5. Get ready for a rinse and a reveal. If you need any products in this video, the link of the product are given below in description. Number 5. Goosefac 39 PCS Car Wash Kit. Goosefac Car Wash Kit includes 39 pieces for a complete car cleaning experience. The low-pressure foam gun offers flexibility between foam and water modes for efficient washing. The windshield tool aids in interior glass cleaning with ease. The stone clearing hook helps extend tire life. Various brushes and towels ensure thorough cleaning, suitable for cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, and more. This kit is versatile. It also makes a great gift for loved ones. Number 4. Adams Polishes Mega Foam Cannon. Adams Foam Cannon Kit creates thick suds to clean your car without scratches. It safely removes dirt and contaminants while not affecting wax or sealants. The formula rinses clean without streaks, providing a slick feel and protecting your paint. With a 110% satisfaction guarantee, this USA-made product ensures top-quality car cleaning. Experience the convenience of a foam cannon that delivers advanced foaming capability, gentle cleaning, and a shiny finish. Number 3. Optimum ONR Car Cleaning Kit. Optimum ONR Kit is a comprehensive solution for a superior rinseless wash. It includes Optimum ONR No Rinse 32 ounces wash, BRS Big Red Sponge, and a microfiber towel. The kit's concentrate formula requires only 1 ounce per 2 gallons of water, making it efficient for washing various vehicles. With unique polymers, ONR provides increased protection by creating a barrier against dirt. The BRS Big Red Sponge offers more surface area than alternatives, ideal for rinseless washes and detailing. Proudly made in the USA, this kit ensures a streak-free, high-quality clean. Number 2. Malco All-in-One Auto Detailing Kit. Malco Detailing Kit is a comprehensive solution for your car care needs. This all-in-one kit includes 6 professional-grade products to clean and protect both the interior and exterior of your vehicle. The specially formulated products effectively remove dirt and grime while safeguarding your car's paint, leather, plastic, and rubber surfaces. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this kit equips you with everything required to clean, shine, wax, and detail your car without the need for additional purchases. With Malco Detailing Kit, you can achieve a just detailed look effortlessly. Number 1. Meguiar's Complete Car Care Kit. Meguiar's Car Care Kit is the ultimate solution for your car's detailing needs. With 12 premium products included, this kit washes, shines, and protects your vehicle inside out. The Gold Class Car Wash Shampoo effectively removes dirt while enhancing your car's shine. The Gold Class Carnauba Plus Liquid Wax provides long-lasting paint protection. The High Gloss Endurance Tire Gel keeps your tires looking new with a dark gloss shine. The kit also includes clay bars and quick detailer to remove contaminants, scratch to eliminate scratches, and more. Experience a showroom shine effortlessly with Meguiar's Car Care Kit.